Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruises, built for get a kit here, as we say. Okay, this is a billet wheel, as you can see, cracking billet wheel. Now the great thing is there's no chrome to come off. This is CNC billet. These are the wide glide hubs. We have got narrow glide as well, twin disc, single disc. You know, so you could fit this on a bag of softail, Sportster. You know, as long as you've got the width between the forks, we can fit the narrow glide hub, as long as you've got enough room for a 120 or 100. Well, I'd say a 110, 120 tire at least, okay? As you can see, exquisitely machined here. Very, very good quality. Okay, we've got a matching 3.5 for the rear. 16 by 3.5 rear as well. So ideal for a softail. You know, you can fit on Evo. We can fit your bearings that are ABS or 25mm. These come with 1 inch standard. But you can't beat a wheel that's got no bloody chrome on it, okay? The alu polish will make this like a mirror and also protect it. But I've got to admit, these wheels, for the price, a P&M wheel like this will be at least 2.5 grand. These work out 995. So for £995, you know, that's if you buy it direct off the website. Obviously eBay, we have got some fees to consider, so it will be more. But this is a cracking wheel. You can see the whole thing is CNC, okay? This is not a cheap, nasty wheel. If you're interested in any great wheels, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruises.com, or the new site customcruises.eu. We're just getting into the Lynyrd Skynyrd. You can see here the kind of shit we do, if you excuse the phrase. Here's a 16 by 3.5 fat spoke. Here's a black and chrome fat spoke. Here's an iron horse wheel, okay? We've got a dyno wheel here, which are pretty rare. The dyno's a funny offset hub sort of thing, unless it's an FXDWG, which is the same as a softail. Shocks, helmets. $250, $280 swinging arm for a softail. All your Kinrakin mesh stuff. Simpson built well, FXR wheel. Just amazing, amazing stuff. If you want to build a bike from scratch, we got it. We got you covered. Proper brakes for Evos and twin cams. Billet 6s, or we've got the Ultimas. Got motors. We've got big carb conversions. We've got 6 spots. We've got the shovel starters, the twin cam starters, all your different starters. Okay. Road glide bits, the shocks. Sportster engine. This is actually 1958. On the second year they made Sportsters. Evos, big valve heads from S&S. Pretty well everything you're ever going to need if you're a biker. Okay, 140 cubic inch Sportster cases. An idiot who said they're not, they fucking are, because they're made especially by S&S. So do not tell me you can't buy 140 cubic inch Sportster, Knobski. And given that Carl Speed Shop's got a land speed record 4 times for drag racing, 10 times, Doug Morrow, you know, if he don't know, no one else does. But some cocky twat slagging me off saying there's no such thing as a 140 cubic inch Sportster. Well, believe me, Knobski, there is. Okay, and that's the real deal. If you want the truth, I'll tell you. If you're a bit of a knobber, don't bother coming round. Get your facts straight before you start slagging us off. Like the idiot that gave me a review of Naught on Trustpilot, who's in fucking Australia, and we're not, and said we ripped him off. We're not even in fucking Australia. So if you see that Trustpilot review that says we took his money and did a runner, bollocks. I've never been to Australia in my life, couldn't afford to. If you want bike gear, we're the shop, okay? There is a lot of clearance stuff for sale as well. You see the van, if ever you see the van about, come over, have a chat. Okay. Have a great biking year. It's Mike Custom Cruises, 01773 835 666. Customcruises.com, or the new site, if it ever gets done by the goddamn French, is customcruises.eu. But your best bet is email sales at customcruises.com. That way I will get your email. WhatsApp, I'll be honest with you, all this electronic shit, I'm not into that. Just email me, please. Thank you.